Hello everyone, you're welcome to Apps Explorer Hub channel. Now in this video, we're going to talk about how do you add caption to video file. Now we talked about how to add caption to audio file in the previous video, and this we are on the video file. So let's go ahead and start. Now you see this is the video file that I have here, and this video file, when I go to the media, that is the one here. Now I can actually play only this the video for us to see. Now what does IIS stand for? Now IIS is Internet Information Service. Okay, so you can see that I have this video. Now I want to add caption here. As soon as the video loads, the video plays, the caption also displays. How would I do that? So first of all, let's add the caption. So make sure you have your video in the timeline. Now we can actually just decide to resize it, or you can just resize it, or increase the size or the length, or expand it wider for you to just view. So as you can see here, it's going to resize. Now in order to add caption, first of all, let's say we add a caption to the whole video. So we're going to select that. So select the video, Control plus or A to select all, or you can just click on that and get it selected. Now while it's being selected, what you're going to do here is you're going to click on more and add caption. So let's see. So you have caption here. Click on the caption and click on add caption. Now once you click on add caption, you can see you have a caption over there. Now in order to actually see it well, let's expand this video file here. So there's the caption. Now I can just move it to on top of this here. Now you see there's a space here, so go back and actually let's see. So I'll go back to the starting of this. Okay, now when I play this music file or this video, let's listen to what actually we have here in order to actually write. Hello guys, welcome to Netcode Hub channel. Now in this video, so you're going to say hello guys, welcome to Netcode Hub channel. So we're going to write this in this caption that we want to actually display. So I'll put it back here and I can write here hello. Okay, so I have this. Now let's see what from this side up to this side. Let's listen to what actually we have so that we can write it over here. Okay, so let's see. Hello guys, welcome to Netcode Hub channel. Now in this video, let's talk about it. So you have hello guys, welcome to this. Now in this video, so we can actually add a lot more here. So we can actually add what? Now in this video, so channel, and we can add hello guys, welcome to Netcode Hub channel. Now in this video, I can just put in hello guys, welcome to Netcode Hub channel. Okay, so channel. Now in this video, so let's see. Now in this video, okay, so now in this video, so we have two lines here. Then we can actually add at the end of this side. We can just bring on the playhead. Now we add another timeline. So no caption, so add caption, and we're going to just fit to the next one. So this caption, let's start to play to finish, and let's see what we're actually going to write here. So let's play. Let's talk about the ISS. That's the IIS and ASP. Let's talk about the ISS. So here we're going to write in what? Let's talk about the ISS. So we're going to talk about let's talk about the ISS in ASP.net. Now that's what we want to talk about here. Now the next thing here is we can actually move this to the next one. That's going to be here, and we click on add caption. Now you can still add. Now you can increase the size of it. You can actually increase it. You can actually increase this also as well. So let's say if I want to increase this to this side, I can do that. Now within here, when you play, so let's play here and listen to what we have. Now what does IIS stand for? Now IIS is Internet Information Service. Now what is the rule? Now what does IIS stand for? Now IIS. Okay, so you're going to write in here. Now what does? So now what does IIS stand 4. So net. Now what does IIS stand for? Okay, so IIS stands for Internet Information Service. Okay, so let's actually, we are using only these 3 lines here, and let's try to, you can still add more as well when you get to this side. So let's try to add more. Now in here, let's play this and see. S is Internet Information Service. Now, okay, so Internet Information Service, and we can actually just go down there. Okay, so when you play here from this side, you can see that you're going to end exactly where it's supposed to end as well. It's Internet Information Service. Now, okay, so here you can actually add in one now as well. So that is a way to actually add there. So you can actually add now. Okay, so in the next one here, let's say you want to actually add more. Now if you want to add more, you just have to do the same thing, add caption. Now when it's been added, I can just play here to know what actually we are talking about. So click about this. Now what is the relation between the IIS and the ASP.NET? Okay, so now see where we are. Now what is it? So we can actually expand this level to this. And what I'm going to write here, what I'm going to write here is, so we can say that now, so what is the relationship between IIS and ASP.NET? Okay, so now you can actually do that. Now, for the sake of time, let's maintain this. Let's try to run what you have here and see what we got. So click on the timeline to get rid of this, and this actually, let's see where you can actually set this caption to. So you see this caption is beneath here, very nice, well stable, and what you're going to do here is going to be so interesting as well. So you can see that now it is here, so you can just move these captions on top of this up to this level as well. Okay, so in order to start, let's go and start at the first start. Now let's click on it and see what's going to happen. Hello guys, welcome to Netcode Hub channel. Now in this video, let's talk about the ISS, that's the IIS and ASP.NET. Now what does IIS stand for? Now IIS is Internet Information Service. Now what is the relation between the IIS and the ASP.NET? So perfect. So you can see that it's actually working. So if you have a whole lot of video, that's going to do the same thing to that. Now you can actually extend this, you can write more, you can extend this, but normally it's advisable to keep it short. So either just 2 lines. The maximum here is supposed to be 4 lines, and that's all. So keep them short, and also try to actually fill them as well. Now you can actually expand this, I've taught you. Now just expanding, you can just resize this as well to decide that you actually want. So you can expand this here, or you can do that. Now as it expands, the duration keeps increasing. So it means all the information that from this level to this level, you must put them here. Okay, so that is it for that. And when you're done, then you save, you go to export, then you save it as a file here as well. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video. That is how you can actually add caption to video file as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.